So guys, do well to click on the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. So first thing first, we need to understand the trend. And as you can see on our Euro GBP, we are in a downtrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the downside. As you can see, a series of lower low and a lower high playing out, right? Now, this is the movement here. Market was able to drop, right? And then here comes the pullback. Market then drop again to form a new low, and here comes the pullback, right? Market was able to now drop again, right? Which is going to form an equal low right here, right? The markets push up, pull back right here. Now, markets will be expecting market to actually drop again to form a new lower low, right? This is our next movement. This is exactly what we should be expecting next on our Euro GBP. That is our next movement for Euro GBP. We should be expecting Euro GBP to drop and form a new low. That is what we should be expecting. Now, if you take a look at it on our forward time frame, right? So Euro GBP was able to drop, right? And then here comes the pullback, right? Now we should be expecting Euro GBP to drop again to form a new low. That new low should be able to take out this low. That is our next movement. So whatever you want to be doing on your Euro GBP, you should be looking for a sell, right? Once you see the sell, go ahead and take the sell. More updates will be covered on this for you guys.